Today I'm going to do an open box and review the Ulanzi Bluetooth smartphone cap grip, and this is the CG02. And I want you to know this is not a paid promotion. I purchased this on my own, but after using it for a little while, I found it so easy to handle my phone and to take photographs and videos that I'm going to share my thoughts and ideas on this because I think some of you may want something like this too. They have some different models, but I'm doing the 02. Now that's how it comes in the box. It's a very small box because the unit is small. When you take it out, what you're going to find inside is this simple pamphlet, and that is your instructions. It comes in 3 languages. English is one of them. It goes over the buttons, the remote, the cords you get, the charging. You can read that at your leisure time. We'll go over here the basics of using it, but there it is, so you know what is going to be in the box. So there's the unit. Very simple and small, easy to use and easy to carry. I'll come back to that in a few minutes, how easy it is to pop in a purse or a pocket. There's the cord. It's USB on one side and the USB-C on the other. And then it does not come with the plug to charge it in, but I'm sure everybody's got one of the plugs to plug in the USB. I always take a masking tape, that's green masking tape, and I label all my cords so I know exactly which came with what. That's just my thing. Now you've got 2 places you're going to plug in the USB-C cord on this. One is charging up the light, and the other one is charging up the remote control button. It is so light that I'll tell you a story about it again in a second. Now the Bluetooth remote control button comes off, as you can see. You can leave it on as you're using it, you can leave it on when you're charging it, but it does come off and it's magnetic. So you just keep that on the unit, make sure you snap it on good so it doesn't fall off. The other side there charges the light. And once you're done charging it, you plug it in, charge it up, there'll be a little light. It will go off when it's charged, so you'll know. Make sure you cover that little cap over so it doesn't get lost. Though it's hanging on, you don't want to let it dangle, and that charges the light. So you've got one cord to charge both of those up as needed. This unit is wonderful. I'm really hooked on it. That's why I decided to do a product review. Now, that's where you can slide your phone, and I can put 2 different types of phones in there. You can use a smaller type of Apple phone or any phone you've got, or you can use a larger one. I have the iPhone 12 Pro, and we'll show you that in a minute. See, it's on a spring load, and then you've got the cold shoe, which is wonderful. If you're carrying around a mic, you can quickly just pop that on. You could also add on another light or anything that uses a cold shoe if you want. Let's put it this way. It's there if you need it, and it's not in the way if you don't need it. On the base, it's got the 1/4-inch female thread, so you can put it onto a tripod, or you can use a selfie stick, which to me is a great convenience. So when you need it, you've got it. Otherwise, it's got that fabulous grip that's nice and soft and easy to handle. Now, you also have that wonderful light. This has been a lifesaver for me many times. You've got the button there. You hold the button down, count to about 4, and it will turn on. And so will that tiny green light on the side. Once it turns on, you can tap the button. Each tap up to 3 times makes it brighter. So you have dull, a little brighter, and then you've got the brightest. So you've got low, medium, and high. And I find this wonderful. Just think if you're in a restaurant and you want to take a picture of your food or something, and it's just not quite bright enough, you've got that light, and you can turn it on to as bright as you want. It has been fantastic. Then you hold it down, count to 4, and it will shut off. Then you also have the wireless remote, the Bluetooth remote. Look at that. You hold the button down, also count to 4, and you'll see a quick flash. That means it's on. It's the same way when you turn it off. You hold it, you'll see a quick flash, it's off. With that, if you don't use it for a certain amount of time, about 5 minutes, it will go off on its own. Now you will have to go into the settings on your phone, and you'll have to find where it says Bluetooth. Now here you see it's connected already because my camera knows that button when I hold it down. But when you hold it down again, it will disconnect and it will shut it off. So it's already on here, and then you'll see I'm holding it, and hopefully it focuses in, and there it says not connected. So that's how you turn it on and off. And then when it's on, I have it set to video. I push the button, it's starting to video. and when I push the button again, it will stop. See? And that's for videotaping. And then as far as the photo, same thing, just press the button and you are taking pictures whatever way you have your camera set. It will not set your camera. You have it on 1x, it will do 1x. You have it in 2.5, it will do 2.5. Now you can use this grip with different size phones. Here's my small Apple SE. All you have to do is just stretch that top open because it's on a spring and it will hold it really nice. Make sure you are not squeezing your buttons down. Check that and slide it over away from the buttons. I also find it more comfortable to have it slid over more. It holds better with the palm of my hand, and look, you can shake it, it's not coming off. Now I'll give you another tip if you are not hardwired into a microphone and you're using a Rode mic that is wireless. Now I have tried some other holders and they were magnetic, but it was interfering with my Rode mics. When I had the receiver and the transmitter together, I was having an issue. So that's why I got away from magnets when using my Rode mic. As you know, the iPhone 12s and up are magnetic, so you can use magnet holders, but I'm not going to use it with the combination of my Rode mic with the receiver. Now here is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's the largest one they make, and as you can see, it fits it fine, and that's actually what I bought this for and where I'm using it. Slide it over, keep it away from the buttons, but again, I find it slid over, my palm holds it just like a camera, and I love this, and I just love the idea that all these extra accessories are on there so I can add on my accessories when needed. It's been my go-to. I carry it everywhere with me now. I know they make them also with a mirror because some people want to put on makeup, or sometimes they think the reflection, they can see how the camera's set up, which I don't think will be that accurate either. You want to put on makeup, put it in a selfie mode. So after using it, I decided to do this. I hope I gave you some tips and ideas and tricks, and I absolutely love it. I know that other companies are making them, and they probably work just as good. Why not subscribe? And I would love a thumbs up. Hope I answered all your questions on this, and like I said, I absolutely love it. With that, have a great day. And don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye. Oh, and the little story I was going to tell you is that I had gone somewhere to do photographs and videos with my cell phone, and when I got there, I didn't have my grip, and I was so upset. But you know what? I did have it. It was so small. It was on the bottom of my purse. I didn't even know it was there until I got home and found it there, and that's why I love it. It's light and it's small. And it makes holding my cell phone so much easier when I'm doing photographs of birds, people, dogs, animals. It doesn't matter. It does make it easier. You can hold it steadier. And if you've got a little selfie stick or even a tripod, which I carry a small one, you're ready to just attach it and you're ready to go to do some really cool photographs as it turns your cell phone into a small camera.